Hey guys, I'm going to be testing out some keyboards today, so here we go. So first, we just got the normal keyboard. Let's see how it does for typing. Okay, it's okay. Now let's say we wanted to see how the space bar did. Let's do space, and we can see how many times we click on 30 seconds. Okay, so I looked it up. And then we go to here and let's see, one. Damn it, why I want it. Okay, it's decent. Say we want to do gaming. We would probably, let's just go on Roblox. And I would say it was, this is like just one. If I went somewhere, I would use, because it's next to the Chromebook. So let's go into Adopt Me. So when I get into Adopt Me, I'm gonna see how like you can move around and everything. Don't really prefer Adopt Me, but first game I saw. Okay. We got, why is this so loud? Let's say, wanted to do, we could walk around. Good. Jump, good. So, out of all, I would give this give it a 7 out of 10. Now, the next keyboard I'm going to be trying is the limited gaming keyboard. It's supposed to light up, but I don't know, because it says it's supposed to light up with like PCs, and this is a computer. So let me just plug it in. Damn. Oh, wrong one. So we plugged it in. Let me make some space. So overall, here's the keyboard. It doesn't light up. There's a light. It does light up. It's just not working because it says it only lights up for PCs and stuff. So let's do the typing. So it does good. Better than the other one. Now if we want to do spacebar clicker, here we go to that. Let's see how much we could do. Like 5 seconds. Okay, definitely better than the other one, but it says it's a gaming keyboard. We have to test that out. Oops, why'd I go to YouTube? Okay, so we go here. Roblox. So I'll keep you. So that. Let's go into it. Adopt Me again, even though I barely play it. Moving, definitely better. Feels better. Jumping definitely feels better. So I would rate this definitely a 10 out of 10. Now let's move on to the next one. So the next one, we're gonna have to be doing just another Windows keyboard, this is also the last one I have today. So let me plug it in. It does plug in at least. So we got this. Doesn't look the best, but we can see what it can do. Definitely hard to type. So I typed. It took a little longer, as you can see. And Now, if we wanted to try the space bar, which I have a feeling this one would probably be the word. Oops. Okay, so going here, restart it. Why isn't it working? Here. There we go. It's very loud, as you can see. It's decent. I mean, I would rate it, but we have to see for gaming. Go, actually, this time it's going, Among Us. I don't feel like it. Roblox would take quicker. So this one is the Microsoft one. I will be doing more in the future. It's because I don't feel like just unboxing some other ones right now. Because I was might be for something. Another video. The Windows key is a little weird. It's like a circle, then the window, but works. When without me, let me just click that. Out of the field. Moving around's good. Jumping's good. I'll give this a 6. So that's it today. See you again on the next one.